Welcome to my review of Konverse AI. In today's video, we'll be diving into this AI-powered chatbot that promises to help businesses automate customer communication, improve user experience, and boost sales. Konverse AI is an innovative tool designed to seamlessly integrate into your business workflow. It claims to be user-friendly, efficient, and customizable, but does it live up to the hype? First, let's talk about what Konverse AI offers. The platform is primarily focused on automating customer service and sales processes. With an AI-driven chatbot, it's able to interact with customers in real time, answering questions, handling complaints, and even closing sales. The goal is to reduce the workload on human employees while ensuring that customers get quick responses and efficient service. The setup process for Konverse AI is relatively straightforward. It integrates with various messaging platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and even your website. Setting up workflows, automating replies, and managing customer interactions can be done without much technical knowledge. The interface is intuitive, making it easy for business owners to get started with minimal effort. Now, let's talk about the features. One standout feature of Konverse AI is its ability to handle complex conversations. It can manage different customer inquiries, route messages to the right department, and provide personalized recommendations based on the customer's previous interactions. This is particularly useful for businesses that deal with a large volume of inquiries and need a solution that can scale. However, while the AI can handle a variety of tasks, it's not perfect. There are instances when the chatbot struggles to understand more complex queries, and customers may need to be handed off to a human representative. It's important to note that Konverse AI is continuously improving, but as with any AI system, there are limitations to what it can currently handle. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? ManyChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing to consider is the pricing. While Konverse AI offers different pricing plans depending on the size of your business and the features you need, some users may find it a bit pricey, especially for small businesses just starting out. However, when you consider the time saved on customer service tasks and the potential for increased sales, the investment may be worthwhile. In conclusion, Konverse AI is a solid option for businesses looking to streamline their communication processes. It offers powerful features, integrates well with popular platforms, and can handle a variety of customer interactions. However, as with any AI tool, there are limitations, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons based on your business needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a review. Let me know your thoughts on Konverse AI in the comments below.